Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay when shopping on Amazon. So let's get started. To begin, open the Afterpay application and access Amazon through the browser built into the app. Browse for the products you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Once you're ready to place your order, proceed to the checkout page. And when you reach the payment section, select the option to add a new debit or credit card. Afterpay will then create a one-time virtual card with an approved amount that matches your purchase total. The app will provide the card number, expiration date, and security code needed for checkout. Enter these virtual card details on Amazon and complete your order as you normally would. Be sure to review the order total before submitting the payment. After the transaction is approved, Afterpay will automatically divide the purchase into 4 interest-free installments. The payment schedule will be displayed in the app so you can see when each installment is due. You can also return to the Afterpay app at any time to view your order information, upcoming payments, and remaining balance. This makes it easy to keep track of your installment plan. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.